Morning everyone, welcome back to Arm Candy. We are back with some Pradas today. This is a really special Prada. It's a really unique, rare Prada. This is a really cool one. It's a Prada snakeskin shoulder, and I will show you the features of it. So you've got this top handle here, and then you've got these adjustable side ribbons here. On the front, you have got this press lock fasten which pops out this little belted pin stud, and then inside, look at that lining, isn't it stunning? You've got a zipped pocket which I'll open up for you. There you go. And you've got the little Prada tag on the side here as well. So this is a really cool little shoulder. Whoever loves themselves a bit of python, this is perfect for you. I will come back and show you the sizing of it. So here it is on me. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference. All the exact measurements will be on the website. So if you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to this Prada shoulder on our website where you can see all the details about it. Whilst you're there, make sure to sign up to our newsletter. Also, make sure to look at all of our other beautiful products. But before you go anywhere, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. It comes with the Prada dust bag, and then you've got a Prada envelope which contains a Prada care card, a Prada authenticity card, and then you've also got the Prada product tag as well. So that's everything it comes with. And the condition, we've said the exterior condition is in good condition. So you've got this amazing python, which is in a really beautiful, beautiful condition. In general, the python looks absolutely excellent. The reason I've called it good is just mainly due to a little bit of wear to the corners, but honestly, not much at all. I think there was one corner that was particularly worn, just that one there, but the rest all look really, really good. There's a little bit of marking to the leather here as well. But again, nothing major at all. So it's in a really, really nice condition. Interior condition, we have also called very good. Now, we called it very good, not because there's any marks in there. Looks-wise, that is absolutely excellent. But we called it very good because there is sort of a light storage smell on the inside. So it's not bad and it's not strong or anything like that, but you can just kind of smell that it's been in storage. I think, you know, after a couple of months of being used or being out, it will probably completely go away. But that is why we have called the interior very good. Otherwise, it would have been excellent. The hardware we have also called good. So you've got, let me just take this off. You've got a little bit of tarnishing to the hardware, but not much at all, and in general it looks lovely. So if you have this shut, you can't see that at all, and that hardware looks lovely. And these, the rings and the buckles, they look really, really nice. So that's why I called the hardware sorry, that's why I called the hardware good, and that will just polish up lovely anyway. So hardware good, so exterior good, interior very good, and hardware good. So this is a really, really cool Prada. If you're into rare Prada, this is something for you. So look at this on our website, look at all of our other Prada and all of our other beautiful things that we've got, and we'll see you soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.